Best practices for Azure Synapse ARM deployment is crucial for efficient and secure deployment of Azure Synapse Analytics workspaces. To start with, it is essential to understand what Azure Synapse Analytics is, which is a limitless analytics service that brings enterprise data warehouse capabilities to the cloud. The first step is to plan your Azure Synapse ARM deployment, which involves defining the resources needed, such as storage, compute, and security. It is recommended to use Azure Resource Manager templates for deployment as they provide a consistent and repeatable way to deploy resources. Next, it is vital to consider security best practices, including authentication, authorization, and encryption. Azure Synapse supports various authentication methods, including Azure Active Directory and SQL authentication. It is also essential to configure appropriate access controls, such as role-based access control and firewall rules. Another critical aspect is monitoring and logging, which helps to track performance, security, and compliance. Azure Synapse provides integration with Azure Monitor and Azure Log Analytics for monitoring and logging purposes. When it comes to deployment, it is recommended to use a CI/CD pipeline, such as Azure DevOps, to automate the deployment process. This approach ensures consistency and reduces the risk of human error. It is also essential to test and validate the deployment to ensure it meets the required standards. This includes testing security configurations, connectivity, and data integrity. Additionally, it is crucial to consider cost optimization and performance tuning to ensure the deployment is cost-effective and performs well. Azure Synapse provides various cost optimization features, such as auto-pause and auto-scale, to help reduce costs. Finally, it is vital to document the deployment and configuration of Azure Synapse, including resources, security settings, and monitoring configurations. This documentation helps to ensure knowledge sharing and facilitates troubleshooting and maintenance. By following these best practices, you can ensure a successful and efficient Azure Synapse ARM deployment that meets your organization's needs and provides a scalable and secure analytics platform.